Hi friends, I am back in Popshelf and so is Christmas. You know what that means? Let's go shopping.
Whoa, oh, oh, da 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 da, oh, 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 da 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 da, oh, oh, da 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 da, making our Christmas memories.
Popshelf is rolling out Christmas, and today we're looking at everything new that they're putting out for Christmas 2023. And if you love the dollar spot at Target, you're going to love what Popshelf has put out today. Now, if you're not familiar with Popshelf, it is a Dollar General store called Popshelf, and so many of the same decor pieces are found at both stores, so keep your eyes open at your Dollar General if you don't have a Popshelf. And I'm sure this will be the first of many Christmas trips into Popshelf, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of the finds. Now, this is the first Target dupe that I'm finding. I remember Threshold had trees just like this, and these are $5 here at Popshelf. You could probably find these at Dollar General once they start rolling out Christmas as well. They do come in cream as well as a pink, and they have these stars. They are only $4 with a raised metal detail in gold. They come in white as well as a beautiful green. I love green, and they did a whole collection of jewel tone decor for Christmas. I think it is beautiful. Now, if you love this star, you've probably seen the ones that Target offered last year. The one here at Popshelf is only $5. Are you kidding me? It is gorgeous in person. They are also putting out a snow globe. Now, this one is not a musical, but it is a beautiful piece in the navy on the bottom with the gold text Merry Christmas. For $5, there are bottle brush trees inside. It is quite lovely. Now, in addition to that, they have another dupe from Target, and that is this little tin or metal city. Now, they usually have something that looks just like this in their Threshold line. The one here is $8. It is coming across on camera a little bit light, but it is more jewel tone in person. They also have these gorgeous wrapped velvet trees in a few different staggered sizes. I'm finding them in navy blue as well as forest green for $3 to $5. I just think that this is absolutely a great buy, and these are so much bigger than the ones you would find in the dollar spot. Now, they also have these beautiful glass lanterns or luminaries in stars with the gold metal detail for $5. They're gorgeous. I found them in a dark burgundy and a really rich green. So pretty, and you cannot beat the price. They're also putting out some beautiful signs. This one in Merry Christmas is a shadow box style with the text raised, and it is $4. You guys, these are such amazing buys. I'm so excited. I hope you have a Popshelf or Dollar General that puts out the same merchandise near you. Now, they also have these beaded Christmas text pieces in a few different versions. These are only $3. Really good prices for these, but these are so cute. So they're a glazed ceramic piece for $5. This is a Threshold look at better than a dollar spot price because they are such a good size. They're so much bigger than what you would find in the dollar spot. And here is some reference. Those trees are right next to them, and those are also much bigger than anything you would find in Target dollar spot. Down here they have plenty of the gold stars. I am in love with those, and they're also putting out sleighs. These are a great door hanger size. They come in two versions, a burgundy and a green. They are coming across a little bit light in color. They are richer in person for $6. But you guys, can we talk about this Threshold dupe of a tray? It comes in two sizes, two colors. The larger one is actually, I believe, $10 and the smaller one is $8. And I think they are gorgeous. This green one I love. They also have these beautiful snowflake pieces in the gold as well as the navy blue. $3, you cannot beat that. And you guys, these signs, these tag signs in the gold, they look like something you would find at Joann Fabric. They are just tastefully done. $3. They do have a hanger, and this is gorgeous. This is something I could see Threshold or Studio McGee putting out for Christmas, and it is a ceramic dish for $5 in the forest green and gold. They also have some small tabletop signs in some white as well as navy sparkle and shine for $3. You cannot beat that. And can I tell you, this sign in Noel, it is large, it is tasteful, it is $5. It is so much better than things that you can find out there. These deals are amazing. They also have this standing tree lantern with the star cutouts. It does have a little handle and ribbon at the top. These are $10, but well worth the price. They're so much larger. They also have one in cream, so if you're not a fan of the green, the one in cream is a bit more neutral. Now, they also have these that are beautiful, tastefully done. This one in the dark green I love with the reindeer on one side, and then Season's Greetings on the other. They also have this one in navy blue. It is more navy in person. Joy to the world and happy holidays. These are $5 with the gold metal stand. Two-sided sign for $5. Are you kidding me? And this is such a good size, you guys. It's well over 12 inches tall. I am loving what Popshelf is putting out for Christmas. Now they're also putting out these little faux gifts. These are just little standing pieces of decor for $3 in the white and red as well as blue and green. And they also have these. Now I know that we'll see these in Dollar General because I already have. They are beautiful little ornaments for $2. Now this piece needs fluffed. It's $10, but it's definitely part of their jewel tone collection. And speaking of, I'm going to be showing you, they have wreaths that coordinate with the gold accents as well as a few other things. Now over here they have some glass candle sticks and they are stunning. This one in the burgundy, it also comes in the green, and then they have a pedestal. This is a good size pedestal. It is a gold star. It is $15 and it is metal. To give you guys an idea, I have a pretty large hand and it takes up most of the center and then the points come out, so it is quite a good size. Now down here they're putting out some more luminaries and lanterns in gold for $12. They have some ceramic pieces that I know I've seen in Target before, and here they are $3. Now down here they have something that I know is a dupe for the Hearth and Hand candlesticks. These are quite tall. They come in 3 different sizes, a $4, $5, and $6, to give you guys an idea of how varied they are. I just think that they're beautiful. You could get them all together for $15 and have a beautiful centerpiece. These are a great buy and are going to beat the price at Target for sure. Now speaking of Target dupes, they also have these toy soldier candles that are beautiful. We're going to see more of those here in a second. They do have some star mercury glass candles for $5 in a navy blue, in sort of a rose gold and burgundy. And over here, another threshold dupe. They're doing these glass dome or cloche covered candles for $8, and these with the wooden toppers I think are wonderful little gifts, and they're only $5. So they do come in a green, the white, and the red, different scents on all of them. And this, that is a absolute Target dupe. They're putting out the candlesticks in trees and the twist version for $4. Over here, more of those Target dupes in the glass jarred candles for $4. They come in the red as well as a gold and green, and those are beautiful for gifting and definitely similar to the things we've seen from Opal House in the last few years. They also have these that are glam for $5 in the red as well as the gold and the green. Down here they have some really beautiful high-end Christmas tree candle pieces for $4. I'm finding them in this sort of grayish as well as a dark green, and a sweater print candle for $5. Now they do have some wreaths coming out that go along with their collections. Just a few out this time. I'm sure we'll see more the next time we're in. They do have lights and they are priced at $25 a piece. Now this one I believe was actually $20 and may have not had lights. Can't remember, there's so much to see. They have the $1 candy canes, some beautiful leaning signs that are large and definitely budget friendly. I believe $15 and $10 on those. They also have one in a snowman, and they're even putting out Christmas trees. They're putting out entryway rugs. Those are $15 and $10. They've got trees from $10 to $50 all the way up to 6.5 feet and pre-lit. Are you kidding me? Now behind me, I want to show you guys, they are putting out stockings for $4. These are very similar to the ones that you can find at Walmart. They also have some tree skirts down below for $15 in a velvet plush. They're in red, blue, cream, and navy. Now this is a beautiful garland for $5. Why DIY when you can just buy for $5? I'm not sure I could buy the beads to make that. They also have the garland in the jewel tones, and down here a sweater pillow for $10, and just below that I found another pillow in green with the gold snowflake and piping. Beautiful. That one is $12. The only thing I would say is they need a little more stuffing, but that is a really good size pillow for the price. Now on to the ornaments. You guys, there are so many Target dupes over here. I cannot believe it. These little toy soldiers are something I saw last year in the Target ornaments. These are $1. They come in the burgundy, blue, and cream. They're also doing these that look like they're dipped in velvet for just $1, and these with the crushed velvet. They come in purple, a really pretty blue, and then a cream as well. Looks like somebody's already found these. There's only one of the cream left on the shelves. These are going to fly off the shelves as well. These are definitely something that we've seen at Target. They are miniature. They're a smaller version, but these are just $1. They come in the 3 versions. They have a few things that you would find at Dollar General, but this, oh my goodness, I am in love with the accordion style paper folded ornaments. They come in the natural, it's almost gold, cream, and a beautiful navy blue. Next to those are probably my favorite. I am in love with this type of, what would you call this kind of star? I know that there's a name, it's escaping me. Bethlehem star? I don't think that's right because this one has so many points. It's gorgeous, comes in 2 golds. They also have these stars that are small, little petite, but they are really pretty and well done for just $1. They have these that look like they are dripping in snow and gold. Love those for just $1. They also have some flocked reindeer in a gorgeous blue, a green that is quite rich, and then a white. These are so pretty for just $1. Now they also have the ice skates, things that you could find at Dollar Tree, but they're just $1 at Dollar General and Popshelf. Now they come in a white, a rose gold, and a beautiful blue this year. They're also putting out some mushrooms. I think these will be quite popular. They come in burgundy as well as the green and the purple. Some more stars in metal in the pink and the turquoise, as well as these in blue and cream. They go with these in blue and cream. Next to those, they even have some acorns. So if you're doing a seasonal fall tree, these may interest you now, and why wait till Christmas anyways? Now over here, they put out their standard things like some large bows, but for $6, they have a tree topper that is gorgeous in a star. Now down here, they have a lot of the clear DIY ornaments, but you guys, look what I found for just $1. I know I have seen these in higher end retailers, I believe even from Kirkland's last year, and these are just $1. So these little gold babies, they're coming home with me. Now they also have the larger containers of the ornaments. So far, just seeing those in blue and pink, and this set of 4 for $5. That is a Dollar Tree price and a high-end mercury glass look, and you get 2 gold and 2 silver. Now onto the crafty goodness. Over here, they have quite a few things that I think are going to fly off the shelves. First being the gingerbread wooden pieces. Now these do have little lights that you can switch on and off. They also have this little stacked tree already made for $3, and for $5 they have a set of metal bells. Are you kidding me? Those are not going to be here the next time we're here. Now they have lots of other DIY items, but I did want to let you guys know that they do have some lights and some super fun outdoor decor for Christmas. They even have a solar light up hanging snowman for just $1. I hope you guys enjoyed coming with me to Popshelf. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss our next trip in. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon.
Making our Christmas memories. Oh, yeah. I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.